Okay, let's talk about drill down. So I will first demonstrate how it works. I will then show you the use cases for it, and finally we'll look at how you can set up drill down yourself. So drill down helps me to go down from, for example, continents into countries like this. It also helps me to expand, for example, years to quarters. And I can also drill up if I want to. So in terms of the use cases for drill down, you need to have some hierarchies within your data, and just a really common hierarchy is dates. So year, quarter, month, day. You could also have your hierarchies like this, where you have regions that are grouped into countries, and countries are grouped into, let's say, continents or geos. So as long as you have those, you can create a drill down. Now, in order for you to create a drill down, you have to place your hierarchy into a single axis. So I'm just going to delete those and recreate this. So the top level of the hierarchy should always go first, then the one level down goes at the bottom, and at the very bottom you get the most granular level of detail. So now you've communicated to this chart within Power BI that this is your hierarchy, and this is level 1, 2, 3. And you can now allow your users to play with this. So I will show you how to now trigger drill down. You can do this in one of several ways. The first way is just expanding all down like this. When you expand all down, you get the values from the first level of the hierarchy, but you also get kind of concatenated values from the second level of the hierarchy. So it's not optimal for this use case, but for our use case with years and quarters, I think it's pretty optimal, or quarters into month like this. You can also drill up. So if you want to kind of roll your data up one step, you can do this through this button. So now the alternative to expanding all values to the next level of the hierarchy is this, which is just going to the next level of the hierarchy. When I press it, I'm essentially going to go into countries like this. So I don't get my values repeated and concatenated, which is obviously an advantage. Finally, I'm going to show you how to enable drill down mode, and this is something you can find here. If you just click on this arrow, and you can then click into North America, and you can see all the countries within North America. As you see, this action has filtered my other visuals to according to the bar which I've just pressed. And now I can also drill down further into the United States and see my revenue by region like this. Just like before, I just need to drill up in order to go back. So this is drill down. It actually works in a very similar way to drill through. I'm going to demonstrate how drill through works in my next video, so stay subscribed in order to not miss it.